Now, I'm digging black cohosh. This is black cohosh. It's really big. Looks like a fern on top, almost. See the leaves? Pattern in the leaves? This is black cohosh. It has a really big root. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. So, just clear it away. Oh, maybe it didn't have such a big root. There it is. That is black cohosh. It's huge, ain't it? That's just a piece of it. I accidentally broke it. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to finish digging it, but it's freaking huge.